Here's a problem in Photoshop related to highlights and shadows. So that's an image here. I go to the menu, image, adjustments, and shadows highlight. And the shadows, this is opened and closed from there. The shadows is not working well. So at the minimum amount, it's okay. And as I slide it to the right, it should get brighter. The shadows should get brighter. But instead of getting brighter, it gets darker. And then it's modifying the image in a different manner, but it's not the same as the one on the left. This is different compared to that one. Okay, so a workaround for this problem is to copy this image. Let's say that one. Ctrl C to copy it and open a different image. That's another JPEG on my desktop. Drag and drop it there onto the top portion. Paste it there. Ctrl V. Okay, and even here it's not working until I flatten the entire image. So as you can see, it's getting darker instead of getting brighter. Okay, so I have to come here, right click on it and flatten image. And now at image adjustment, shadow highlights. Now this is working. Now it's really making the image brighter. Okay, let's make it bright so that we can see that it's modified. Just for this example, close it with OK. Select approximately that area. Ctrl C to copy it. Go back there and Ctrl D to deselect it. Ctrl V to paste it. So V to move it. As you can see, now it is modified compared to the old one. And if I go back, image adjustment, it's still not working. So at 0 it's okay, the original. If I move it to the right just a little bit, it gets darker instead of brighter. So use that one. Of course, adjust it nicely, not like this.